Good morning, everyone. Priya here. I hope you all are doing good. Students, today I will teach you exercise 14E. It's all about word sums, and I hope you have completed your homework given in last video. So pay attention here, all of you. And whatever given in examples also of this exercise, that questions also you will do practice, okay? In your class or copies. Now come to exercise 14E, page number 123. Students, you will learn here word sums. So pay attention here, all of you. First question is make a bill. Tea 40 rupees 50 paisa, sugar 39 rupees 75 paisa, milk 22 rupees. Now add these all together. First one is tea, second sugar, third milk. Now add these. The answer you will get here 102 rupees 25 paisa. First you add 100th place, 0 plus 5 5, 5 plus 0 5, right here 5. Now add the 10th, 5 plus 7 12, 12 plus 0 12, right here 2, take 1 carry. Now add the ones, you have to put decimal here. Now add the ones, 1 plus 0 1, 1 plus 9 10, 10 plus 2 12, right here 2, take 1 carry. Now add these, 1 plus 4 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 2 10. The answer is 102 rupees 25 paisa. Now second question, Azhar bought a t-shirt for rupees 375. He gave 500 rupee note to the shopkeeper. Now how much money did the shopkeeper return? So what will you do here, students? Here you will subtract 375 rupees from 500 rupee note. You will get here 125. The shopkeeper returned 125 rupees back. Now question number 3. Jatin bought 6 pastries for rupees 15 each. One pastry 15 rupees and he bought 6 pastries. Then how much did he pay? So what will you do? You have to multiply it. You have to multiply 15 by 6. 15 into 6 is 90. Jatin paid 90 rupees for pastries. Now question number 4. Mala got rupees 360 by selling 6 of her large flower pot. For how much did she sell each pot? Mala got 360 by selling 6 pot. Now they are asking for each pot. So what will you do? You have to divide 360. You have to divide 360 by 6. 6 6 are 36, minus it, you will get here 0. Now carry down 0, 6 zeros is 0. Here the value of one pot is 60. Now question number 5. Students, you have to do these question in your notebook. A to G part. Now question number 5A part, you have to do same like first one. Make a bill. What will you do? You have to add all together chair, table, cupboard. The value of chair is 1200, table 2570, cupboard 5895. Now add these. Question number 5, A part. Now add these together, 1200, 1200 plus 2570 plus 5895. You will get here 9675. Like this you note down in your copies. Now question 5B part. Sony got rupees 51 from her grandma, 100 rupees 50 paisa from her grandpa, and 250 rupees 75 from her cousin. Now, how much money did she get in all? What will you do? You have to add all together all the money which she got from grandma, grandpa, and cousin. Let's see how you will do this. Now, question 5, B part. Add these all together. You will get here 402 rupees 25 paisa. First, you add 100th place, you will get here 5. Now at the 10th place, here you will get 5 plus 7 12. Right here 2, take 1 carry. Now add, put decimal here. Now add the ones place, you will get here 2. Now at the 10th place 10, right here 0, take 1 carry. And now at the 100th place, here you will get 4. The answer is 402 rupees 25 paisa. Now question number 5, C part. Jaya's sari cost rupees 950. If Leena's sari cost rupees 125 less, how much did it cost? What will you do here? You have to subtract 125 from 950. Now C part is this. Now you subtract 950 minus 125. Here the cost of the sari is 825. Now D part. Mr. Sharma went to the market with rupees 250 and he spent rupees 45 on milk, 125 on sweets, 75 on apples. How much money he left with? What will you do? First you add the expenses, milk, sweet and apples, and after making a bill, you subtract that money from 250. This one, first you add the expense, 45 on milk, 125 on sweets, 75 on apples. Now add these, he spent 245 rupees on these items. Now what will you do? From 250 minus 245, he left only 5 rupees. Now question number 5E part. Hari earns rupees 143 rupees 65 paisa every day. How much does he earn in a week? So what will you do in a week? 7 days. You have to multiply 143 rupees 65 paisa by 7. Now multiply these. 7 5s are 35. Right here 5. Take 3 carry on 10th. Now 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 3 45. Right here 5. Put decimal here. Take 4 carry here. 7 3s are 21 plus 4 right here 5 and take 2 carry here. 7 4 is 28 and 2 30. Right here 0 and take 3 here carry. 7 1 is 7 plus 3 right here 10. The answer is 1005 rupees 55 paisa. He earns in 7 days 1005 rupees 55 paisa. Now question 5F part. Neeta's doll cost rupees 243. Raghu's remote controlled car cost 4 times as much as doll. 4 गुना ज़्यादा है मतलब. So what will you do? How much does Raghu's car cost? You have to multiply 243 by 4. Then you will get the Raghu's car cost. The answer is 243 multiplied by 4. 4th is a 12. Write here 2. And put carry here 1. For 4 is a 16 and 1 17. Write here 7. Put 1 carry here. 4 to the 8 plus 1 9. The answer is 972. Raghu's remote control car is 972. Now question number 5, G part. A group of children paid rupees 248 for tickets at the zoo. If one ticket was for 8, how many children were there in the group? So what will you do? You have to divide 248 by 8. Then you will get how many children were there in the group. This is your G part. Divide 248 by 8. Divide 248 by 8. 8 3 is 24 minus it. Here you will get 0. Now carry down 8. 8 1 ja 8. Now minus it. You will get here 0. The answer is 31. In one group, how many children? 31. Now students, listen carefully. You have to note down in your copies in a good handwriting. Now take care. Keep learning. Stay safe at home. Thank you everyone.